everyone, welcome to Try It with Miss Sam Tiny Food Party, part of the Cerritos Library Expand Your Horizons virtual program series. During this video, we will be assembling tiny versions of food that are not traditionally small. While there can be some cooking elements involved with this video will mostly focus on the assembling of all of the dishes. The only cooking elements we will be using are basic utensils like knives, cutting boards, bowls, and a toaster oven as needed. For this video, we are going to be focusing on my favorite part of the meal, desserts. The word dessert comes from the French word meaning to clear the table. That's why we always eat it at the very end. Desserts can also refer to a lot of different things: cake, ice cream, custard, even fruit. Today's video, we're going to make 3 tiny versions of some of the tasty ways to end the meal: Little-Bitty Fudge Puppies, mini ice cream sandwiches, and Petite S'mores. All right, let's make some Little-Bitty Fudge Puppies. Fudge puppies are a traditional fair food quite popular in the Midwest US. It's basically a waffle dipped in chocolate, then topped with something yummy. Today we're going to use sprinkles. Here we go. The ingredients needed will be mini waffles, melted chocolate, sprinkles, or topping of your choice. Let's make some fudge puppies. Today we're going to be using some store-bought frozen toaster waffles. You can certainly make your own waffles at home from scratch. There's a ton of recipes online. Just make sure if you need an adult's help, have an adult help you doing this. So we're going to toast our toaster waffles. As you can see, we've already done that. We're also going to melt chocolate. I'm using melting chocolate, which is a specific type. It makes it super easy. I just put the chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl. I put it in for 30 seconds, stirred it up a little bit, and then would do 15-second bursts in the microwave until it was a nice consistency. So all we're going to have to do is take the waffle, dip it in a little chocolate, and then we're going to top it with whatever topping you would like. Today I have sprinkles. I have crushed up cookies and done it this way before. You can use peanuts, you can use any other type of topping you would like. Let that hang out in there while I open this. All right. Alrighty. That's all there is to it. Now we're just going to let these cool a little bit. They may take some time depending on the temperature of your chocolate once you put it on. But see, as you can see, these are already cooling. Or if you don't mind getting a little messy, eat them whenever you feel like. So let's enjoy our fudge puppies. All right, here we go. Time to eat our fudge puppy. See how this goes. I love desserts. It's so tasty and fun. Definitely easy to make these your own. You can do it anything you want. Banana chips, other sprinkles, whipped cream. Definitely something to play with. Enjoy. Hey guys, now let's make some mini ice cream sandwiches. Ice cream sandwiches are a treat eaten all over the world. When I was young, my aunt used to make it for me using warm pan de sal, which is a Filipino bread, as the bread, so ice cream inside of it. Today, we're gonna make it using cookies. The ingredients needed will be chocolate chip cookies or cookie of your choice, ice cream of your choice. All right, make sure to wash and dry your hands before starting this. Today, we're gonna be using store-bought ice cream and store-bought cookies, but you can certainly make any of these yourself. There's a lot of recipes online, but these will probably need an adult supervision to help you out with this. We're also, for this ice cream sandwich, gonna need some sort of vessel to hold the cookies in. You want something that's wide enough to be able to fit the cookie inside, but not too big that it sloshes around too much. So today we're gonna be using one of my favorite mugs. So let's start. We will take one delicious cookie. We're gonna put the rounded side down onto the bottom of the mug. We're gonna grab some ice cream. I use the second cookie to help me get the ice cream off the spoon. So you're gonna do this until you have enough ice cream that is part of your heart's desire. You don't want to make it too big because you want to still be able to handle it once it comes out of the mug. That looks pretty good. I'm going to take the second cookie, put the flat side down into it, squish it so that it makes a nice sandwich, flip it out, boom. You've got your ice cream sandwich. Obviously, as I have ice cream all over my hand, this can get a little messy, but delicious. So enjoy. All right, eat these quick because these are messy. I love ice cream and I love chocolate chip cookies, so this is probably going to be amazing. I love it. I love it so much. This would be awesome. Make this whatever you want. You can change the cookies, snickerdoodle, sugar cookies, anything. Change the ice cream, chocolate, mint chocolate, whatever you want. Do whatever makes your heart happy. Making my heart happy by eating these. Have a great day, guys. Hey guys, let's make some Petite S'mores. S'mores are a traditional campfire treat where a marshmallow is toasted on an open fire and then squished between a graham cracker with some chocolate inside. The first documented use of the word s'more for some more was in reference to a graham cracker sandwich from a 1920s cookbook. The ingredients needed will be graham crackers, marshmallow cream, melted chocolate. Make sure to wash and dry your hands before starting any of these preparations. Today we're using marshmallow cream, which is actually something you can make at home. There are plenty of recipes on how to make marshmallows at home, and that could be fun because you can make your own flavors. But today we're going to be using marshmallow cream and our melting chocolate. Again, the melting chocolate is ones that I use where I just put it in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time. After the first 30 seconds, I do 15-second bursts just to make sure the chocolate doesn't burn. There is also a method where you can use a stovetop called the double boiling method. Make sure you have an adult to be using that. But let's start with our s'mores. We're going to take our graham crackers, we're going to cut it, break it along the lines into 4 nice parts. They won't always break nicely, just like that one did. Then we're going to take our marshmallow fluff, we're going to spread it onto our graham crackers. What we're gonna do next for that authentic campfire s'more taste is we're gonna actually take these and put these into the toaster oven to toast. Now, if you have a broiler method on your toaster oven, that would work better. You can do something crazy. If you happen to have a creme brulee torch, you can also do it that way. If you don't have any of those, that's perfectly fine. You can continue this without toasting the marshmallows, but we did that already before, and they end up this nice golden toasty marshmallow look. So we're gonna take 1/4 that has the marshmallow on it, and we're gonna take another 1/4 and put the chocolate on it. Don't wanna get too messy. Put them together and you have your very awesome Petite S'more. Now, this is where you can go crazy with it if you'd like. I'm gonna do one without toasting it, put the chocolate on it, oops, put the chocolate on the other side. And because I love chocolate, we're gonna put more chocolate on it. We're gonna eat it like that. Gonna let that cool a little bit so that our chocolate re-hardens a tiny bit. But you can do this, then you can top it with nuts, with broken up cookies, with sprinkles, with banana chips, whatever you like. This is another place where you can really explore your creativity. Enjoy. All right, let's try our s'more. So I'm gonna eat the one that I dipped in chocolate. I didn't let it set because I'm too excited to eat it, so let's try it. Do I want s'more? Yes. Yes, I do. So tasty. I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I do. Thank you everyone for joining. I hope you enjoyed making some dainty desserts with me. This concludes our Try It with Miss Sam Tiny Food Party Expand Your Horizons food series.